Welcome back to This Day in Scottish History. I'm your host, Colin MacDonald, and today we journey back to a revolutionary moment in the world of technology, one that put Scotland at the forefront of innovation. The date is 28th January 1924, and the scene is Glasgow, where John Logie Baird, a visionary Scottish inventor, achieved a groundbreaking feat: the first private demonstration of his experimental colour television system. Now, to appreciate this moment, we need to step into the context of the early 20th century. The idea of television was still in its infancy. The very concept of transmitting moving images was no more than a dream for many, but John Logie Baird was no ordinary dreamer. Born in Helensburgh in 1888, Baird was a natural tinkerer and inventor known for his unrelenting curiosity and creative solutions. In fact, before he turned to television, he had dabbled in everything from creating a glass razor to developing pneumatic shoes. By the early 1920s, Baird had already been experimenting with mechanical television, using spinning discs, lenses, and lights to transmit moving images. His 1924 achievement, however, was a step beyond anything previously imagined. He had managed to create a rudimentary colour television system, years ahead of its time. Using a combination of red, green, and blue filters, he successfully demonstrated the transmission of simple coloured images. The demonstration in Glasgow was modest by today's standards. It wasn't a public spectacle, but rather a private showing reflecting the experimental nature of his work. Even so, it was a moment of profound significance. This wasn't just a technical experiment, it was a bold statement about what the future of communication and entertainment could look like. It's important to note that Baird's colour television was not immediately practical or commercialised. The technology of the time was simply not advanced enough to bring his vision to the masses. However, his work laid the foundation for future developments in broadcasting. By 1926, he had conducted the first public demonstration of black and white television, and his pioneering work on mechanical scanning systems influenced the evolution of television technology for decades to come. What makes Baird's achievement particularly remarkable is the resourcefulness he displayed while pursuing his vision. Working with limited resources, he often resorted to using household items and scrap materials to build his prototypes. For instance, some of his early experiments included the use of a hat box, scissors, and bicycle lamps. His ingenuity and determination are a testament to the innovative spirit of Scotland, which has been a hallmark of the country's contributions to science and technology. The significance of John Logie Baird's work cannot be overstated. His experiments with colour television highlighted the potential for visual storytelling and paved the way for the vibrant high-definition broadcasts we enjoy today. Moreover, his achievements remind us that some of the greatest breakthroughs come not from vast resources, but from bold ideas and an unwavering commitment to seeing them through. Today, as we sit in front of modern television screens, streaming countless hours of high quality content, it's worth pausing to reflect on the pioneering efforts of inventors like John Logie Baird. His work in Glasgow nearly a century ago set the stage for the incredible visual media landscape we now take for granted. As Scots, we can take immense pride in the legacy of this visionary inventor, whose contributions changed the way the world communicates and entertains itself. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of this day in Scottish history. Tune in tomorrow for another journey into Scotland's remarkable past. Until then, I'm Colin MacDonald. haste you back